Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Adding some cute little ears. Now let's draw the body of our cat. Now adding its cute little feet. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. Let's draw its fluffy tail. Cats are like soft, fluffy clouds, ready for cuddles. Adding some big, shiny eyes. Yes, you got this. Here comes a heart-shaped nose, adding a cute little smile on its face. Our cat looks super cute. It's almost ready. Now it's time to paint. Orange. Do you know cats can jump 6 times their length? Isn't it amazing? Always be playful and curious like a cat. Don't you love how this looks? Yay! It's done! Round. Glitter time! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.